It's a wonderful Wednesday afternoon. It's always a beautiful day in Link of Media Land, all right? My name is Janelle. I'm here with the wonderful Brad Bernstein of the Law Offices of Spahn Bernstein. And Brad, you know I love to sing your praises.
Yes.
Because you do so much for the immigrant
You can
community.
sing my praises. That's fine.
I will sing them.
There is
I will
there is
hum them.
nobody that enjoys having their praises sung more.
And
So
there's
that's
no one that enjoys singing
thank
praises
you.
more than
So
me, all
that's
right?
fine. I'm happy to take it.
Squeeze teases me every day. He
Right.
calls me a
What?
cheerleader. He's like, "You're so fluffy. You're full of fluff."
No, but no, you know what you're always happy.
Well, what's wrong with happy?
There's nothing wrong with
what's
happy.
What's wrong with fluffy?
No. Do you when you're like home, alone or in like your alone time? Because whenever I see you,
Right.
you always have this big smile. Your teeth is showing. When you're home, like alone or like in your own private time when no one's around, are you smiling or are you're just doing your thing?
I meditate a lot.
Because I don't know. Can you smile this much during the day? I've never. Yash, am I right or am I wrong? She smiles a lot. She's always happy. She's too happy almost.
What's wrong with happy?
There's
though? That's
nothing
the
wrong.
problem
There's
with the world
nothing. There's
today.
nothing wrong with happy. I just, because I'm more even keeled.
Yeah.
Okay. I never
have
get
to be.
right. I never get too high, and I never get too low.
Yeah.
But so I always wondered, somebody like you who at least, publicly, okay, is always happy and jolly and smiling. I go, I wonder how she's like when no one's around. Is she, is she more, melancholy, or is she still walking around? You're brushing your hair, you're getting up in the
Well, I
morning,
don't have
and
to
you got.
brush my
That's
hair.
true. Right, okay, or I don't know, or just like you're getting a snack and getting a yogurt, whatever it is.
I'm
Are you
excited.
are you all excited eating your yogurt, or I don't know, whatever.
I don't know. You know what?
What?
I've been born gifted and blessed.
Okay.
And I acknowledge that every day. And when I'm down, I'm down. But I like to keep my negativity to myself. Few
Okay.
people see it.
Right.
But I feel like there's so much going on in the world.
To be
that-
good, to be happy, and the
about.
sun is shining.
And we have so much to
Right.
be thankful for. You
Right.
know, we're not in some godforsaken place fighting a war.
Right.
I'm not a 4-year-old child soldier in Uganda.
That's true.
What am I pissed about?
Right.
We'll figure
Right.
it
Nobody's
out.
strapping a bomb to you to go blow
Yeah.
yourself up somewhere.
Yep. So
Right.
you and Squeeze can be as
Right.
grumpy
You have
and
right.
hard as
right.
you want.
Yeah,
I'm
but you
there.
have a roof over your head.
Have a roof over
You'll
my
have
head, thank
food,
God.
clothing.
Mhm. We're not
So-
in the concentration camps.
That's true.
And we're
That's
not
true.
in the barracks.
Right.
So what's our issue?
Right,
Let's just
right.
get our green card and keep it moving.
Correct. Okay. So what you're saying is it could be a lot worse.
A lot
worse. Right.
Okay. And just when you think you have
Right.
it hard, you really don't have it hard. Especially
right.
when these callers call with their issues.
That's right.
Single moms, people trying to get out of a life of
Mm-hmm.
crime, people trying to sue others for bodily damage.
Right. People just trying to make a better lives for themselves
Exactly.
and can't but want to.
But want to.
That's actually, I find, the saddest thing. I don't find the sad people who are like, all right, this is my lot in life. I mean, I do find that sad too. I mean, because nobody wants to, you don't want to have, anybody live a down life or a dull life or whatever you would call it. But I find I'm much more sympathetic to somebody who is just a good person, a hard worker, and really all they want to do is make
Is
a better
work.
make a work and
Yeah.
make a better life for themselves
And earn it.
and earn it and
Fair and
and
square.
and they don't get that opportunity, and that's what I think is what's wrong with a lot of what's going on here. With immigration or in various parts. Everyone should have the same opportunity, and the cream should rise to the top. Period.
Totally.
Okay, and here with how the immigration is working right now, the way the policy is set up, it doesn't allow the cream to rise to the top. But that is why we are here, to help you get to the top.
Exactly.
Okay, to navigate through. Okay, as I said, if you, I'm going to harp on this till kingdom come. If immigration was easy, I would be, I guess, on the mortgage link. Or doing something else, right? Because
Right.
I wouldn't be here for 13 years answering
Right.
immigration
And
questions.
you're part of a legacy. 50 years sparring
51.
Bernstein. 51.
Right. So,
that's a big
right.
legacy to
so,
continue.
So, that is why I'm here, to help you. People have problems. I understand. I can't solve everybody's problem. But if I can solve your problem, I will.
Yeah.
Okay? So, if you do have a problem, okay? And listen, everyone has problems,
Mm-hmm.
okay? But if it is a problem that can be solved, we can solve it.
Absolutely.
Okay, and that's why you're calling us at 1-800-LAW-LINK
Mm-hmm.
to try to solve your problems, put you in a better lot, help you be the cream that rises to the top, so to speak. But you got to want it.
Exactly.
You got it.
You
You
gotta
can't.
know how to go after it
You
too.
can't just say, "This is my lot in life, and this is how I'm going to be for the rest of my life." And listen, and if that's your attitude, and you're happy with that attitude, and you're going to walk around like Janelle with a big smile on your face, nevertheless, that's fine. But if you're walking around with a smile, but you say to yourself, you know what, I could have a bigger smile if I was able to get a green card, or I'm able to
Right.
become a citizen, or I'm able to travel, or I'm able to get my family here,
Right.
or I'm able to marry who I want to marry because I'm in love with them and I want to bring them here, whatever the case may be, okay? Or to get the law off my back, I would have a bigger smile,
Right.
okay?
Right.
To be able to see my children, I would have a bigger smile. That's what the problems that we help you here
And
with.
they're problems that can be fixed. Once
Right.
again, people.
What?
All right,
What are you
yeah.
looking at?
I was checking yours to see if my levels were okay because sometimes my voice is kind of light
Uh-huh.
and fine, so I want to make sure my levels are
Right,
good.
okay.
But I was just gonna add to what you're saying. People call 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. I know what Brad is saying here today is definitely touching a lot of nerves. Being an immigrant myself, being one out of hundreds of thousands of people trying to get their visa in order, their travel papers, their green card. It's not an easy task, but it can be achieved. It can be accomplished if you have good representation and people who know what they are doing representing you on the legal side. And I'm speaking of the law offices of Spawn Bernstein. I can personally account for them and testify.
Right.
All right. You guys know what you're doing, and you don't just offer service. Like me, you offer service with a smile.
That's true.
Which is all, and a great sense of
Right.
humor.
Thank you.
And if they got to bust you, you know what? They'll bust them.
You got
I
what?
said, if you got to bust you know what? Can we say balls?
Oh, yeah.
If they got to bust your balls,
Right,
they'll
you could
bust
say
your balls,
if
but
you
it's
could
to help
suck-
you
right,
get
yeah, but
better.
You have to bust your soccer balls, your basketballs.
You got to grow them,
Right,
some of
right,
you.
right, right.
All right, so give us a call right now and ask your questions for Brad Bernstein live on air. This is the immigration link on
And just so you
93.5.
know, if you do get a letter later on from your bosses or from the FCC, I have no idea what the FCC rules are. I just said, okay, go say it anyway.
But I will call you at 1-800-LAW-LINK to represent me.
You asked me if you could say it. I'm like, you know what? After I said yeah, I said, you know what? I really don't know whether you're allowed to say that or not. But I've heard Squeeze say that in the past, so I'm like, I figure if he says it's okay, then it's okay.
All right,
I
I'll
only know
use the
immigration.
gangster version.
Right.
I'll say cajonas.
Okay, fine.
You got to grow some cajonas.
Let's go some calls. 877-320-LINK. We're live
Uh-huh.
August 19th on a Wednesday, a hot,
Oh, it's blazing hot.
blazing hot Wednesday. Mm-hmm. Yash, we ready for some calls?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Call
let's
us
go.
up right now, folks. 1-877-320-5465. That's 1-877-320-5465. We have a call online too. Good afternoon, caller. What's your question for Brad today inside the immigration link?
Hello?
Yes. Hi.
Go ahead.
Hi. I just wanted to know if I was going down the correct path. Me and my girlfriend are planning to get married, but she has a case with an immigration court. She's going through asylum.
Right.
Now, it's been like going on 4 years now, and they still haven't granted her asylum. And her parents are sick now in China, and she has to go back. So she's thinking about just closing the case.
Well,
But
how did she come to the United States?
through asylum, she left her country.
She left her country and they paroled her in at the airport?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, and now
Yes.
now where is she at in immigration court? Is she on appeal to the Board of Immigration Appeals? Is she in federal court? Where are we at?
I'm not too sure about that.
Okay. Assuming her case is not final yet, meaning that she does not have a final order of deportation and she has not
No, she
exhausted.
does